Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my bathroom. We're in my bathroom, like hey shower, hey sink, and we're in the bathroom. It's got good lighting, sorry if that is too bright. But, so I already have like my makeup done, you see, lashes on. The scenario is, you're just getting off work and you're having a New Year's Eve party and you just, you don't have time to wipe off the whole shebang and get all this cracking again. So, or if you do, go ahead, start over, just do your base and add a bronzy color onto your eyes. The end of the intro, so let's just start the video. Alright guys, so now we're gonna take a bunch of new stuff. I show you see this Urban Decay palette. There's this cute little mirror in here. And then, I can't block it, this cute little mirror in here. Look at these colors, they're so pretty. So then we already got, pretty much a transition color on our eyes. We already have a transition on. So I'm gonna take this little itty bitty blending. We're gonna take Confidential and just add it to our outer V. A little fluffy blender and blend out like the edges real quick. And then on our lids, we're gonna take Switchback right here. Can't tell from the light, but it's a really holographic-y blue color. And we're just gonna start see that? That's pretty fucking bomb. And it's annoying. Alright guys, so we got this icy blue one. And the lashes I'm wearing is by Lashaholic Luxury Lashes in, I don't know if that's what they're called, Instagram. I think that's there's their shit. Okay. I need to think of something else to put on to make. I'm taking this Urban Decay Beauty with an Edge Single Sin. And the shade is in Sin. And I'm just gonna pat this on the outer edge of this icy blue. Okay. Of the icy blue. Angled blending brush with that outer corner color again and blend the edges out. Okay, since we got that pattern on the outer corner, you guys liking how they look is turning out? I think I'm loving it. Okay, so now, lastly, I'm gonna add these highlighting Too Faced Fresh Squeezed highlighting drops. And I'm just gonna take the topper off, basically. Take our little dripper out. And then I'm gonna take this little M250-2, Don't Get Right in there. Dunk it right into the highlighting drops. Get it ready. And we're gonna add this right. We're gonna outline our cut, our half cut, from here to there. An outer line that was really making it pop. You see that? Now, we're gonna let that dry. And see how we got such a natural looking face on today? We're gonna bolden this right up. You know, we're gonna be out. We're gonna be out. I'm just taking my Hoola bronzer, my Morphe R8. Getting white edges where I want them. Basically, without tapping it off and wasting it, I put the powder everywhere. I don't tap the excess off because then I feel like we're just putting it everywhere. So I get that. I just put it all over like that and see how it's super bold and deep on there. I'm just gonna take my R14 and then just blend it right here. See? That's so much better. But still bold, but perfectly blending. See, I'm loving the eyes. Are making a really bold statement. So now we're just gonna add some simple little lips. Either a shimmery gloss or a matte lip that does not come off. Because you know, we're getting our midnight kisses, y'all. I'm getting my midnight kiss soon. Alright guys, so I hope you guys just like this quick little touch up. Oh, can't forget the all-nighter, you know, because gonna go all night to the new year. Oh yeah, we're set. We're set. So, but I just want to wish you guys all a happy new year. See you guys in 2019. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.